Hi, my name's Bill Feaver, and I want to make this quick video to share with you a side hustle that I just started. It's called Send It Academy, and basically you get paid for writing letters. If you can write 10 a day, that's $50. If you write 20, that's 100. And if you can write all day long, you can make several $100s a day. This is up to you, but it's an opportunity. It's a side hustle. And if you're like me, you're retired and you are looking to make some extra cash, this is a possibility. Also, this business, you can not only send out letters, but you can also get paid for sharing it. The Send It Academy has training and help and a small cost, a monthly cost, a one-time cost, and then a monthly cost to be part of it. But you will get a tremendous amount of help, and it is also another income stream that you can acquire on a residual type basis. If you would like to learn more, I leave my links down below this video, or you can DM me, and that's basically it. It's a short video. I just wanted to share this with you, and if you want to know more, then contact me and I will get right back to you. Thank you so much. Have a great day.